I'm Christy if this is the first time stopping by. Today's video I will be sharing with you a refrigerator clean with me, and you'll be seeing what it looks like before I go to the grocery store. So today I'm getting ready to go to the store, and what I normally do is I clean out the refrigerator. I get rid of all of the old products and food that I don't need. I wipe it all out. And it's going to look pretty bare right now, and that is because we are a family that eats leftovers, and we try to eat up everything that we can before I go back to the store. So I hope you guys like it, and if you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you're new and you think this is a channel you would like to watch. So let's get right on into it. Right now I'm just going to show you everything in my refrigerator before I clean it out and go to the store. There's not a whole lot left. As you can see, there's a lot of containers of leftovers and stuff, and that's just because we try to eat up everything before I do go back and buy more. Right now I'm just going to start by showing you how I clean it out. The first thing I like to do when I'm cleaning out my refrigerator is I will start by straightening up the door of my refrigerator. I will straighten up all of those shelves, and then I'll take a wet soapy dishcloth and I like to wipe down like the shelves on the door, and then I wipe down the shelves on the inside, and that's just to get any like sticky residue or anything that's on the shelves like removed. So that's just typically how I do it. I always start with the door and then work my way on into the inside of the refrigerator. So I'm just curious, like, what do you guys normally do? Do you start like cleaning the door? Do you do on the inside? Or how do you do it? Leave it down in the comments and let me know how you start to clean your refrigerator out.
You're my music, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from? A scene that keeps playing on repeat, ignores the rule of thumb. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? All your emotions with your heart on your sleeve, it won't fade until you paint it black. I let it burn, you call the fire brigade, but I feel that it will come back. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come
After I clean out the refrigerator with a soapy dishcloth, I always go back over it with a multi-surface cleaner, and today I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner in the honeysuckle scent. I like to use non-toxic cleaners when I'm doing the inside of the refrigerator, since it is like around food. And I just like the Mrs. Meyer's scents. They smell really amazing. And this honeysuckle scent will just like freshen the smells up in the refrigerator, and it'll just make everything look shiny.
'Cause I need you to play on, yeah, I need you to play on. I'm your limbo, you're my intermission. Just look at the state we're in. I breathe you in and I can tell where I end and you begin. Where I end and you begin. Where I end and you begin. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Where does it come from? to play on, play on. Play on. I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under. One step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like thunder. And the clouds are closing in. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than I turn my head.
This is what it looks like after it's all cleaned out and right before I go to the grocery store.
More like the river, growing stronger. When we're alone, there's no you in the picture. Paint by number isn't how I wanted to. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed.
Now here is the refrigerator after I've cleaned it out. I went to the grocery store. Everything is fresh, clean, and full of food. That's just the way I like it. But I always try to clean out my refrigerator before I go to the store. That way when I come home, I can just put everything in the refrigerator and it's all organized. And you can see what you have. It just makes it so much easier. How do you guys typically do your refrigerator? Do you clean it before you go to the store, or do you do it after you get home? Or how often do you clean your refrigerator? I'm curious to know, so if you don't mind, would you leave that down in the comments as well? And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. I would love to have you join my 4 Times the Mom family. And as always, guys, I will see you all later. Thanks for watching. Bye.
How I wanted to. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told